Halo guys, hari ini aku bakal buat video buat gimana caranya baca teks on Acnhor, atau lebih tepatnya Nes Acnhor. Kalau kalian belum tahu, kalian bisa cek video-video lain, dan hari ini cuman buat ngerjain tugas doang. Oke, kalau lihat sudut kameramen dari depan situ, berarti teks beneran dari depan sini berarti. Good morning viewers, you are still with me, Rian Ramdhani, on BBC News program. Today on Wednesday 20 November 2020, for 5 minutes more I will accompany you to listen to me break news, some actual news and some latest news in this sunny morning. The first is about universities prepare for student return, and here it is, the first news.
As the final pieces are put in place for socially distanced learning, students got a direct plea to do the right thing and stop the virus spreading. But more young people are already getting it, and some can see why.
I have friends from first year who are partying far too much, they're having whole house parties. It's obviously breaking the rules, it's spreading coronavirus, and it gives young people a bad name, but some people just simply don't care.
There is a reminder here, though, that the majority are responsible.
I'm a student, I could understand the guidelines, I could follow it, I know the seriousness. So all the students, I think they will all adhere to the guidelines.
Sheffield's one of those cities braced for thousands of young people arriving in the next couple of weeks.
So as people will be coming into the building, we'll walk through and we've got a temperature checking thermal imaging camera here. If people have a temperature over 37.8, we'd ask people to leave campus. At the entrance to every building, we will have the option where people can collect their face masks. So we're issuing face masks to students and to staff. Staff can also have a face visor if they wish that, if they're teaching in classroom.
This is the news I could present to you, and if you have suggestions and some critique about this program, please visit us at BBC News, or you may call us on the number below, plus 457 624 800 Finally, and all of crews of BBC News program, say I have a wonderful day. See you next time, and bye bye.